Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome back to another video on Creative Muslim. I appreciate every minute you spend on this channel and promise you I will deliver more valuable content for you. Yeah, in this video I'll be discussing with you how I got my first sales on Fiverr within just 3 days being a seller. So I'll share you the tips that I used to get the first sale on Fiverr. And also I think many people, they are like, is it that easy to get a job on Fiverr? And there are some sellers that they have spent like maybe 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months being a seller on Fiverr, and yet they are yet to receive their first sales on Fiverr, even though some of them promote their uh, Fiverr profile, Fiverr gig on social media platform and the likes, and yet they are yet to receive their first sales on Fiverr. And even though there are some people that have actually quit Fiverr due to the fact that they did not say or make sales on Fiverr. But in this video, I'll be sharing with you the tips on how you can make sales on Fiverr within a week. So if you follow all the steps I share with you, definitely everything will work perfect for you. So let's get started now. So guys, here I'm on my PC right now. I'm going to share with you the tips that helped me to land my first sales on Fiverr within just 3 days. Yeah. So yeah, it depends on your service, and I'll just try to use a random service here. And of course, you can replicate that kind of method with your own. So these are the tips that help me. So the first thing here I'll be sharing with you is your gig image. If you are creating your account, if you are not good in designing a gig image, I'll just advise you to just hire someone on Fiverr to design your gig image for you. This is the reasons. The reason is that almost everyone like amazing gig image, like seeing something very more attractive. You can see all this gig image here. You can see all this gig image. They look so much attractive. If you are one kind of a buyer that see this kind of gig image like this, like I will create a one product Shopify dropshipping store, and you see the kind of 80 orders, then the amount that the person have made, you be like, let me click on the link and see what this person is talking about, and let me see if people are actually placing an order from this buyer. So these are the things that will definitely entice you to click on the gig. And once you click, and it's like something that you are really interested in, so definitely you would like to purchase from this particular person. So that's that. And then you can see this one too, Shopify partner recommended by top YouTuber. You can see this one too. You can see this one. So you need to have a very good, amazing, and eye-catchy gig image for your gig, because this, if this look attractive and it's appearing on in the front of buyer, definitely they would like to click on your gig. And the second thing I'll be sharing with you here is your gig title and description. I'll still use this gig as an example. You can see this kind of gig title. It's very straightforward gig title, and definitely people would like to click on this particular gig. And you see the category too. So it's on the right category, whereby people also can also like they can also search through the category directly without even input some keywords, and this particular gig will definitely appear. So you can see this gig description too. So this particular person explain everything about what the service contain and what you will get if you buy this kind of service. You can see here, you can see a profile too. So he is dedicated to Shopify. So that's that. And most important thing that will definitely help you, that helped me too, the most important thing is staying online on Fiverr. This is very important, because most buyer want someone that will definitely get started on their project immediately. So let me show you something here. Let's take for instance WordPress. Sorry, WordPress. I'm typing WordPress website design. Let me show you something here. Wow. Okay, so you can see here there is 97,395 gigs available with these keywords. And you know that it's not all the gigs, it's not all the 97,000 gigs that Fiverr will be showing. Once you reach like 18 to 19 page, you will not see any gig again. And on this page you can find less than 100 gigs. Then 100 multiplied by 19 or 20, so it's not even up to 20,000 gigs. Now let's see what I'm talking about. Let's now check with these keywords. Let's now check on online sellers and see. So now see, nine thousands, almost 10,000 online sellers. Now see this one, this particular person, he is having 19 reviews. So let's see. You can see jobs. You can see he is having jobs in queue. So let's click back to let's off the line. So let's see what's you can see you can see all the people on this first page. You can see all these people on this first page. You can see almost there. You can see their reviews. You can see their reviews. These are rising talents. And I want to make a video about this rising talent of the team. Yeah. Maybe I don't know yet, but definitely if you subscribe to the channel, once I make the video, you'll definitely see it. So you can see all these rising talent. You can see all these ones. You can see all these ones. On a norms, it's not easy for this particular person to have the gig on the first page with 19 reviews. Are you trying to get my point? So what actually helped him to acquire all these sales is being staying online. So most buyer want someone that will definitely get started on their project with immediate effect. I don't know if you are trying to understand my point. So most buyer want someone that will just get started on their project without wasting any more time. Even though if they are not going to place an order directly, they want someone that they can just discuss about their project, then get started. Even though if you are charging more than what people that are not online are charging, they will definitely pay you because they just want someone that will just get started on their project. How can you stay online on Fiverr? I have made different type of videos on that. Maybe you are using your mobile or your PC. I explained that you can check either right or the left hand side top here, so you definitely see the video. Then I explained to you in depth, like every details and in detail, sorry. So I explained everything about how you can stay online on Fiverr so that you can land your sale or your first sales on Fiverr within just 3 days, even less than 3 days. I'm telling you the fact. This is just so easy because if you follow all these steps, definitely you will get a job. Have an amazing gig image. Have amazing short and eye-catchy gig title that's not too long. Also work on your gig tags. Work on the gig tags, your gig category. Try to choose the best category that it's well describe your service. Then the gig description is very important because people they would like to read to understand what's your package or what's your gig covered, so that they will not land to one kind of issue that will definitely result to cancellation of the thing. So I just believe that you understand this and you follow all these steps like I just explained now. And of course I promise you will give a comment on this video if you follow this step very gradually. And also I'd like to tell you that depending on this gig the ranking of the thing, it doesn't matter. This doesn't matter if your gig is the rank or not. It doesn't matter. What is most important is that is your gig appearing in the first page to seller? A buyer, are they seeing your gig? Is your gig appearing in front of the buyer? If your gig is not appearing, how will you make sales? It's not possible. It's not possible for you to make sales if your gig is not appearing in front of buyer. So just try and fix all these things. Even if you have an existing account, just try and fix everything up. try and fix everything up accordingly, just the way I explained. And I'm very sure you will come back here on this video and drop a comment. And if you have any question regarding this video, please kindly drop a comment. And also, in case you don't see the video on the right or the top hand side, so you can go down to the comment section and you will see the videos there. Just click on the link and you can watch it there. So thank you for watching, and I promise you to offer more valuable content just like this one, more like this. So I'm putting all my efforts to provide you guys amazing content that will definitely worth your viewing. So please kindly subscribe if you believe that this is worth it, and if you believe that it doesn't worth to subscribe or like, you can click on the dislike button and maybe you can drop a comment. I don't know. So that's what I have for you. Thank you for watching.